Hafide and Ali. My name is Gary Tanaka. I'm a managing partner for the Coconut Tree Company. We're here in Palau for a Palau trade mission between Guam and Palau. I make a gourmet style coconut candy, perfect for visitors and guests alone. We started the business back in 2017 in the back kitchen of my house, and I used my grandfather's recipe. The recipe includes coconut, sugar, and milk. It takes 3 hours to make. And what we did was we packaged it in several packaging styles. This is our gift for visitors and tourists alike. There's a 12-piece, and we also have our 12-piece grab bag. So if you want to grab it on the go, you can pick it up at your store and eat it on your way to work. Although you can't find us here in Palau, you can reach out to us on Instagram at thecoconuttree.com or call us at 671-788-0853. And thanks for having us.